guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Diwali to all of you, and today I have created this smoky winged eye makeup which is appropriate for Diwali. It's appropriate for all the festivals. It's also appropriate for the wedding functions that you're attending soon. So if you want to know how to create this makeup, then let's get started. So I'm already done with my foundation, and now I'm going to use this concealer to set in my eyelids. I'm going to use it on my eyelids and blend it with a brush, and I'm also going to set it with a powder. This ensures that your eyeshadows stay on longer. It also pops really well. It helps you with eyeshadow blending. And once I have my eyebrows on point, I'm going to use this color for the transition. This is the first color that I'm going to use for the transition, just to map out where my crease is. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of warmth with henna. This is a beautiful color to add that warmth on your crease, so I'm gonna take it down slightly and also above the crease. Now it's time for the kajal. Apply it on your lash line. So we're gonna apply it, and this one sets really quick, so smudge it away once you apply it, and then you can also reapply it if you want more intensity. So apply it and then smudge. Same thing we're gonna do on the other eye. It doesn't have to be even, just smudge it away. And then I'm gonna use this black color, just tap off the excess and apply it on the black base that I have created. Now grab an angled brush and create that flick on the outer corner, and then I'm gonna use henna again to just create a more blended look. Now using this kajal on my waterline by Katrina by K by Katrina. Yes, I'm gonna add it on my waterline, and then again I'm gonna use the plum kajal on my lash line, the bottom lash line, and then I'm gonna smudge it. Pretty much going to do the same thing on the bottom lash line as well. So just apply it and then intensify it and then smudge it. Then I'm gonna use cocoa, which is a brown color, and I'm gonna create a drop shadow effect with this smudging brush. So we're gonna add it on top of the black base, and then I'm gonna bring back the black color on the outer corner with the angled brush. Finally, I'm gonna use pink diamond as a nice inner corner highlight. This is going to go from the inner corner slightly towards the liner that we have created, and then just a little bit of moon dust on the very center and also on the brow bone. Just pack that shimmer and create a nice effect with it. Finally, onto the mascara. I'm going to use this mascara on my lashes, and this is how I like to apply my mascara. This is a footage where I've not edited anything, just fast forwarded it, so you have to go back and forth and get like 1 to 2 layers. It's now time for concealer. I'm going to use one of my favorite concealers now, and I'm going to use it on my under eyes, around the mouth, a little bit on the forehead for the highlight, and then blend it away with a brush. You can also use your fingers to blend your concealer. It does a beautiful job. And then also I'm going to set it with this powder just on the concealer, not the entire face, because the weather is quite dry these days. Finally, onto the contour, I'm going to mix these two shades and create a nice sculpt on my cheeks and also on my jawline. Finally, onto the blush. I'm going to use this pink blush, and I'm going to use it towards my contour and make sure it looks blended with the contour. And for the highlight, I'm going to use Makeup Revolution's highlighter in Golden Kiss, and I'm going to apply it on my cheekbones. And then I'm going to use this makeup fixing spray. I'm going to spray it on my face. Yes, I know I look funny while doing that. And of course, I'm going to press the product in. And once you do this, when you apply your highlighter on top of it, it looks really glossy and intensified. So do try this out. And finally, onto the lips, I'm going to use one of my favorite shades, Jade Rose by Nykaa. And I wanted to tone down the color, so I used a tissue to blot it off. And this is the makeup look complete. As you can see, it's pretty easy and also quite different from the regular eyeshadow looks. So let me know in the comments. Please try it out and give me your feedback. So make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.